Here are 3 home remedies for sore throats, coughs, and congestion. This herbal throat coat tea will immediately soothe the sorest of throats and reduce pain. It coats the throat, tastes delicious, and is especially good with a bit of honey. Adding peppermint oil to a diffuser will help open the nasal passages and thin mucus, resulting in you being able to breathe easier. Since dry air can be irritating to the throat, running a humidifier will put moisture back into the air, giving relief to a cough. Stay well and be sure to follow for more.